So you work in business, you work in sales. If you don't, just skip this video here. But I want to ask you this. If you're successful and you work in sales, what do you say to close a deal? And why do you say that? Listen, so many times people think that they know everything. And that is the fastest way to limit the amount of income that you make. The only way to be truly successful as an entrepreneur, in sales, in business, is to continue to learn. Hey, if I want somebody to do something, I ask them if it makes sense. Does it make sense to sign the contract? Does it make sense to have lunch? Does it make sense for us to present this to the board? Because if I ask them if it makes sense, I'm not asking them to do anything. I'm asking a timing question. And if they say no, I can say, got it. What's a good next step then? Well, the board doesn't meet till next month. If you are not continuously learning, if you are not continuously figuring out the cheat codes in life and business, you're going to limit your success tremendously. If you'd like more of those cheat codes, if you want to share some of your own with me, put them in the comments. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.